Save a prompt in Copilot. Instead of searching for a specific prompt in Copilot each time you need it, save it for easy access in a dedicated location. Select the View Prompts icon. The Copilot prompt gallery window displays, providing you with additional suggested prompts. Locate the prompt you want to save. Select the Save Prompt icon. Copilot also lets you save the prompts you create. Hover over any prompt you submitted to Copilot. Select the Save Prompt icon. In the title field, enter a relevant name for the prompt. The prompt field cannot be edited. Select Save. The system saves the prompt and displays it in a separate category for saved prompts. To view the saved prompts, select the Your Prompts tab. Saved prompts appear and remain in this location, allowing you to quickly access them for future use.
Join us at Knowledge Accelerators and let's embark on your digital transformation journey together.